Alright, so since we've broken down how Mr. Prt.2 makes token launches completely fair, now let's put that into action. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the MEXC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Let's dive in, guys. Fund your Web3 wallet with some BNB or Ethereum. You then click connect to connect your wallet. So let's click OKX wallet. So once you've collected your wallet, you then click launch a token. So this right here, you create new coin. Remember to choose carefully. This can't be changed once the coin is created, okay? So you just fill in your token details. It's just like, setting up a social media profile. So let's input a coin name, or let's say Buns. Let's add a ticker. Let's make it BNZ. Let's input a description. If you love smooth rides, luxury, this is your word. Butcher and join the Buns community. So you then scroll downwards and then select image. Next is it to input your socials. This is optional though. You input your Twitter handle, your website, and your Telegram. You then click on next to get to the next phase. So once you're here, you then click this drop down arrow to choose your preferred coin. So if you are launching on BSC, you choose BNB, and if it's Ethereum, you click Ethereum. So once you've done that, you then input the amount of BNB or Ethereum. You then click create. So you then, assuming you're using our 1 BNB to create a coin, so you just input 1. So once you've done that, you scroll downwards and then you verify that you're human. You solve this captcha. So after that, you then click create, and your token is instantly deployed onto the blockchain. Your community can now start buying and trading it immediately and fairly. That's literally it, guys. Your token is live on Mr. Prt.2, guys. It's so simple and easy. Thank you for watching. I hope the video was helpful. Feel free to drop your questions or comment in the comment section. And don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in the next video.